Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo. Let me show you how to customize the home screen on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this home screen. So if you tap the home, you should see the following screen in front of you. Let's choose here the gear icon located, in my case, above the maps in the upper part of the screen. If you tap the settings, you've got access to the following settings, and here all you need to do is choose here the customize menus. Let's just tap it. As you can see here, you can use all the following customization. It could be customizing the home screen, the audio sources, the lower menu bar. In my case, let me choose the home screen. So let's choose the first option, customize home menu. To customize the layout, drag the widget to any position on any page. If you tap OK, you can do it. So as you can see here, you can customize the following screens. This is, for example, the first one. For example, let me remove this widget, and if you would like to add it, let's just tap add, and let me add, for example, audio. As you can see, you can use, for example, auto arrange. Let me, for example, remove them. Let's choose auto arrange. And as you can see, the Nissan auto arrange the following menu for you. You can also tap here add to use one of the following widgets. It could be audio. You've got a few audio options depending on which position you would like to use it and in which shape you would like to use it. It could be phone, map, driving range, the energy usage, charging station, TomTom weather, the Nissan Connect service, user profile, clock, connections, Alexa, etc. So you can use all of the following widgets. If you would like to save something, you can tap save here, and that's it. As you can see, this is my new home screen. As you can see, you can customize also those ones. So basically, you've got whole access of screens that you can customize and use. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.